right, today is all about getting household chores done. We need to hang River's stuffed animal crochet hammock thingy. I don't know what it's called. We need to get our sunshades up because it's finally starting to get hot around here. And so we need to get the sunshades up outside. One goes over the pool, one goes over the pergola in the backyard. Keeps it nice and cool back there and makes it more bearable for a little bit longer, especially since it's really gonna start getting hot. We have other things to do. I'm not exactly sure yet, but I know that that honey-do list is really long. You gonna do anything with your day?
Yeah. Listen here, Captain Total. Come on, break something.
Oh, I'm Wyatt goddamn Earp walking around. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Come on, break something.
All right, what are you doing?
We're calling it a hangy thing.
A hangy
for my
thing?
stuffed animals. So we're gonna hang it in my room for my stuffed animals. So I put them on. They don't have to be on my bed.
And how long has that been sitting downstairs on the
Weeks.
railing? Weeks. It's not been sitting there for weeks. It's been sitting there
Yeah,
for
for months.
months. So, Dad's finally getting around to hanging it up.
I guess Dad's not busy at all.
Dad's never busy. Okay, let's go. Let's see this,
You want to see something I learned?
yeah. Oh, well, that's kind of smart. That you can, it's just up and down.
It's heavy.
Do you think that
This would work?
we have
No.
anything in the ceiling to attach it to? Actually, is ceiling up there or is it floating like downstairs?
Downstairs.
This is gonna be interesting.
You got it. But I got the little. I really don't like these things.
Why?
Because you have to drill such a gnarly big hole for them to go through the ceiling. But you know, when they get through the hole, they expand out and they hold. But then, you know, if you ever take it down, you are left with a hole.
A massive hole.
But we don't own this house, so.
Yay. Do you swing in the
No.
hammock?
I know.
Do you get in it?
No.
Who's the hammock for?
Stuffed animals.
Only. No humans.
Why not?
Woman?
No humans.
Why not? Why?
Oh, I just took a video of your butt.
What? Hey, get off my bed.
All right, Mr. Toolman. So, any guesses on how long this is gonna last before it falls out of this sheetrock ceiling? Somebody leave us a comment down below and tell us how long you think this is gonna last before it falls out.
So here's the thing that people have to keep in mind. For me to get the proper stuff to hang this in the ceiling, to do it right, it would take me 2 or 3 weeks more on Amazon. And
Right.
I'd pay a premium for it. To get the brackets, to get the hangers, to get all that stuff. It's just so hard here to get the stuff to do it right. I mean, and so,
If it falls out of the ceiling, it falls out of the ceiling.
It falls out of the ceiling. Yeah, if I had a Lowe's or a Home Depot, sure, not
Yeah.
a problem. I make it look really nice.
Yeah, we just don't have hardware stores here.
No. I don't.
Exactly.
What?
You never judge a man by the size of his tool, how he uses his tool.
Is that what it is?
I just use the tip.
You're only gonna cut one off.
I'm not cutting it off. I sleep over.
There we go. So now all these stuffies need to go in there.
Okay, bye.
Bye. saga. So the irony of this is I am upstairs right now editing the video from before we left on repat when we had the toilet issues, and Joel was working on trying to get it unclogged. And so we went on repat without it being fixed because we didn't have a choice. And when we came back, I was like, hey, you guys gonna fix this toilet? Thinking it was still broken. And Ollie at housing is just awesome. And he's like, is it working? And I was like, yeah, it's working. I guess, you know, it sat here and drained for a month and a half. So Desmond's been using the toilet, but Ollie said he's gonna bring in the guys to clean out the main sewer line. So that's what they're out here doing now, is trying to find the sewer line because nobody knows where it is. And they were just in that area, and that was a water supply line. So let's see if we can find the sewer line somewhere around here. So they were thinking that maybe somehow the pipe is coming out the back. I don't know. This is looking out my bedroom window. All right, there's the hole. So I feel like this is really strange because all the rest of the toilet should be backing up if this was the issue from here out. It just doesn't, like, it's just not making sense why only Desmond's toilet is backing up. So somewhere the rest of the house has to tee in where his is clogged. But again, we had a 30-foot snake down there. How is the rest of the house not backing up? Comment below if you know what's going on. If you're a plumber out there, if you have any ideas, please let me know. So the guys are here, and I think they're trying to clean out the sewer pipe. And so when you go in your bathroom, I think they put water down it and then suck it out or something. I'm not exactly sure what they do. But we just kind of go and make sure that your toilet doesn't flood. Alright, thanks. So it's not backing up? Hopefully just time fixed it. But keep flushing a few more times and then I'll send you a message, okay?
Okay.
Thanks. Thanks for your help. So, I mean, they put lots of water in it. Desmond flushed his toilet and all the toilets in the house, and there was plenty of water that came out, and Hannah just said that there was a lot of tissue in there, so I think we're gonna have to have a family meeting about tissues. And then I just told him, I said, I'll call you if it backs up again. I guess, you know, just leave it at that, and let's hope that this fixed it. Yay, toilet's fixed for the time being. So this is the current state of the backyard.
Yeah, we take it down every year because it gives us another month with the pool open in the sun, but in about another couple of weeks it'll just be too hot not to have the shade up. You won't be able to get out here because it'll be, I don't know, 105.
Yeah.
And at night it'll be 105, so
yeah,
it's got to have the shade.
So you got the shade up over the pergola already?
Yeah, that's an old one.
Yeah, so this is our old shade, and last year we decided to put it up over the pergola just because we took it down over the pool because it's got like a small hole on it, and we ordered a new one. And Joel's like, oh, I wonder if that'll help keep this area cooler. So last year we put it up, and it does indeed keep it much cooler underneath here. So now Joel and Des, the boys, are gonna get this thing hung up over the pool. They're being shits today.
Oh, all of us is helping on this one.
Oh, I can't help. I'm sorry. I have to film.
You're gonna have to put that. What happens every year is, because the pool is right here, we pick the sunshade up and we try our best not to get it in the pool. It gets in the pool and it gains a substantial amount of weight. And then I can only put it up a little ways till it dries, and then I can raise it all the way up. And it deposits a sufficient amount of dirt into the pool when it does that. Doesn't matter how clean I make it, I have to set it back down on the ground, it gets dirty again. So this year we're gonna try to pull the cables on the side, and one person's gonna try to hold up the middle.
In the pool.
it should be awesome. I'm gonna try not to scream at anybody, but I don't make any guarantees.
Someone's gonna have to clean all that out today.
Not it.
Definitely Mom, I'm sure. It's my project usually when it comes to cleaning the pool. Well, I guess both Joel and I do it, but I actually really enjoy cleaning it for some reason. I enjoy vacuuming the pool, which is kind of silly, but so I'll probably clean it today so we can get in it this afternoon because it's so nice out here. So the water here is so toxic, I guess, in a way. It's raw water. It's like hard water. And so we can't leave the ladder in it because it just completely disintegrates it. And so like every year we have to buy a new ladder. And we just got this one last year towards the end of the year. So, and we really took care of it. We made sure we took it out of the water. But this is the state of our old one. And we keep it around because we actually use it quite a bit just as a ladder outside. But look at this ladder. So you can see all of this rust. We even put the Rust-Oleum paint on it, and it was just, this was one season, which is only a couple of months, and this whole ladder.
The new one's not any different.
Yeah, the new one's already starting to rust, but I think we're just trying to keep it out of the water as much as possible and only keep it in there when, you know, when we're actually using it. So, ta-da! That's pretty easy.
It's not too bad. It's just keeping it out of the pool. We even got most of it out of the pool.
Are you gonna get dressed for your day?
Probably not.
Probably not. Oh,
This is the one day I don't have to wake up for anything.
true. I was upstairs editing videos and getting River out the door. She has a birthday party and she's really slow, so she took forever to go out. And came downstairs. Joel had just got back from the gym, and I was like, "How was the gym?" And he's like, "Better than the pool situation." We have no idea what happened. Absolutely no clue what happened to this thing. As if it turned 90 degrees completely. Like, what in the heck? And I guess he came back and it was like laying in the pool. It's like it totally just fell apart. Now the pool is even dirtier, and I was literally about to go upstairs and get my swimsuit on and hop in the pool and start cleaning it, and now we've got to figure out what to do with this cover. So stay tuned. I guess we'll have to let you know what we do here. Putting a damper on my sunshine. So which wings are you cooking out here? Jeff's bunghole wings?
Still got, yeah. It burns my nose.
That's intense.
That's Rivers. I'm just trying to keep. Wow. My eyes burn. Holy smokers.
Which ones are his?
It's confusing now, but it's those.
Okay.
I don't know if this one for forever.
Yeah, don't get that near your daughters.
Every time I touch these, I have to go back and wash the tongs because they don't want to get next to river stuff. Because this is like the second or third highest.
Oh, let's go look at which ones they are. Oh my god. Pucker butt?
It is a fetching name.
Yeah.
You're gonna eat pucker butt?
Yeah. I love the green ones.
Oh, that's number 9.
Bugger butt is? Shit.
It's 702.
Well, that's gonna be a problem.
What? Oh, you're gonna hurt.
I'm not gonna hurl.
No, you're not gonna hurl. You're gonna hurt.
Come over here. Take a long.
Those are intense. What is this one? This one's chipotle sriracha, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Like you said, if you're ever down there, that's every time I go through one county. These are great.
I put ranch on mine.
Yeah.
They put blue cheese. Gross. But Joel can make Some mean wings. Why did you choose that one? Because it's green?
Yeah.
That was, but you didn't actually like read the fact that it's like the second hottest?
No, because I like green wing sauce. Shit.
I feel like this is a really bad decision. But one that I'm going to laugh really hard at.
I mean, I think they're gonna be delicious. So,
Okay.
Because I'm
We'll tag
I'm
hot
a
ones.
glass half full kind of guy.
You are a glass half full. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, he's just gonna cool it off with a look at that dollop of.
You do you, man. I'm not judging.
That's not. That's cooling it off.
I got a hard time smelling it. But I'm a
Well,
giant.
look, I'm not trying to prove anything. I'm not gonna eat wings without more cheese.
Okay, let's see how these goes. Joel's over there choking already.
Oh, that takes a second. See what that does.
I made you a sin. I mean, right.
Do you need some milk?
Do I need a dress? Okay.
Call Sam over.
It's gonna be like that.
How many of those do you think you're gonna be able to eat?
I don't know.
I would go 0 if it was me.
Let's see.
Your lips are red.
I know.
How's the rest of your face?
My tongue is on fire.
Whatever you do, don't touch your face.
See if it's consistent.
It's like a panic attack on a wing.
But you know, sometimes you got hot pieces and not hot pieces.
Not the way I made those.
I don't know. I didn't watch you cook.
Oh yeah, I made them how they should be if you want them spicy. Not like I made them last time.
Oh yeah, it's consistent.
How about some sugar? Remember last time I told you to put sugar in your mouth?
That was a good joke.
That was not a joke. You're supposed to put sugar on it. It's supposed to neutralize it.
Ashton Kutcher.
Oh.
Look at me.
I just am enjoying filming this because your pain is cracking me up.
It's so bad.
Is it? So is it like, so the people on the show, are they like,
I used to think they were faking.
I mean, I kind of always thought that they were a little drama queens. But now it turns out that they're not really drama queens.
So maybe they make.
They do only take a little nibble though. They don't even eat the whole thing.
Jeff, what was your very first car that you owned?
1976. Or, yeah. A Chevelle.
What year was that?
68.
I don't know. Yeah. It's 60, 69.
69. A 69 Chevelle.
Super sport.
And what color was it?
Black with white racing stripes.
Oh really?
Uh-huh.
Your dad loved you.
What was the fastest you ever got it to go?
126.
I'm sitting here grilling you because your mouth is on fire.
Oh, I'm gonna need to fill that back up. I would give up state secrets. Here's another one. I went, no, give me a map. This is where they're at. This is what they got. This is where they're going. This is what they're doing.
Please don't make me eat another one.
Bring me some milk.
All right, I think that's probably a very good place to end the episode with Jeff in pain. And
Thanks, Japhans.
yeah, so unless anything funny happens the rest of the evening, I think we will leave it there. Good night, guys. Join us next time as we set out on a journey of adding a new family member to our clan. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button before heading over to Patreon, where you can support our efforts even further. You get exclusive content, ad-free videos, and so much more, just for showing your love. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.